GLP-1 is the most searched term in health today, but most people are treating it like a magic bullet rather than what it actually is, a biological signal. You've seen the headlines about Ozempic and Mounjaro, and you've heard about the food noise simply vanishing. But here is the question no one is asking. What happens to your metabolic flexibility when you stop the injections? Right now, millions are paying a metabolic tax, losing muscle mass and tanking their long-term health for a short-term fix. But what if I told you that your body already has the machinery to trigger those same GLP-1 pathways naturally? Today, we are going beyond the hype. I'm showing you the science-based metabolic health tips to improve insulin sensitivity naturally, balance your cortisol, and repair your circadian rhythm to achieve drug-like results without the side effects. Before we unlock the biological blueprint for your metabolic transformation, I want to ask you a favor. We're building FitPulse to be a sanctuary for busy professionals who are tired of the quick fixes and ready for the truth. If you believe that health should be built on science and longevity, please subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell. It's a small click for you, but it allows us to continue providing this life-changing research to those who need it most. Whether you are currently on a GLP-1 medication and want to protect your progress, or you're looking for a natural way to silence the hunger and boost your energy, this is the blueprint for longevity through metabolic health. I'm Dr. Marie, and this is FitPulse. Let's dive into the protocol. To understand the alternative, we have to understand the mechanism. GLP-1, or glucagon-like peptide 1, is a hormone your gut produces naturally every time you eat. It tells your pancreas to release insulin, tells your stomach to slow down, and tells your brain you are full. Pharmaceutical GLP-1s are simply high-dose, long-acting mimics of this hormone. They are incredibly effective, but they're a pharmacological hammer. At FitPulse, we specialize in metabolic health for busy professionals, and our concern is what happens when that hammer stops swinging. If you don't address blood sugar stability for energy, the weight often returns because the underlying metabolic repair never happened. So, how do we trigger this natural hormone? It starts with the FitPulse Protocol for natural ways to lower blood sugar spikes. First, utilize the protein preload. Consuming 20 to 30 grams of protein before carbohydrates triggers your cells to release natural GLP-1 earlier in the meal. Second, focus on fiber maxing. Soluble fiber is fermented by your gut bacteria into short-chain fatty acids, which are direct triggers for GLP-1 production. Third, consider healthy fats like extra virgin olive oil and avocado, which keep your natural GLP-1 levels elevated for hours longer than processed fats. By focusing on these, you aren't just dieting, you are biohacking for metabolic flexibility. Here is a critical piece of the puzzle: nervous system regulation for wellness. If your body is in a constant state of fight or flight, your cortisol levels will skyrocket. High cortisol actively blocks your body's ability to use insulin efficiently, making it nearly impossible to achieve blood sugar stability. This is why we prioritize a morning routine for cortisol balance. By managing your stress response through simple breathing techniques or morning sunlight, you create the hormonal environment necessary for your natural GLP-1 to thrive. This is how you prevent the rebound weight gain by making your body a safe place to burn fat. For the busy professionals watching, you don't need a lifestyle overhaul, you need habit stacking for weight loss. Try the 10-minute glucose sponge. Take a short walk after your largest meal to naturally lower blood sugar. Use the vinegar hack. A spatula of apple cider vinegar in water before lunch can significantly improve insulin sensitivity naturally. And finally, implement light syncing. Use circadian rhythm and metabolic repair to your advantage by getting bright light in your eyes before 9 a.m. Whether you choose the path of medication or the path of natural optimization, the goal is the same: a resilient, flexible metabolism. Longevity through metabolic health isn't about the number on the scale today, it's about how your body functions a decade from now. Don't forget that sleep hygiene for fat loss is your foundation. Without rest, your hormones will always be in conflict. If you found value in this breakdown, please like this video, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and subscribe to FitPulse to join our community. Keep your pulse on the science, and I'll see you in the next video.